Day 11, Part 1, Ford Ranger, passenger side rocker panel repair. Part 1, I think I just said that. It's the Clearcoat base coat number 1. This is the product I'm using to clear this panel. It's a perfect color, duplicolor, perfect match, protective clear coat finish. I'll be using a series of coats on this panel. First coat's going to be a light coat. Got a little bit of a breeze coming, so it's the hesitation. Spraying the top side of the panel, probably not going to capture that. Yeah, oh well. Stuff sprays really nice. Is that really nice? Alright. So, this is what we got here. That's the first coat. I'll start at the rear and work forward. Just a nice light tack coat. I got plenty of product. They say coverage is 12 to 15 feet. And I sprayed down there on that right fender. It's the top side of it. Done some work in there. I probably could spray a little color up in there, but I'm not going to sweat that. And this is down in here. And that's that panel. That's the bottom half of the fender there. Alrighty guys, so that's coat number 1 using this duplicolor perfect match protective clear coat. I'll see you on number 2 and we'll go from there.